back to channel, everything absolutely fine. So yes, finally I'm traveling and I'll be flying in the evening to Himachal. Even मेरा पिछला vlog was winter Himachal, but this time I'll be trying to show a kind of a very green and super awesome Himachal. But before I even usually I start my vlog at the airport whenever it is a travel vlog, but I just thought of starting it from my home because अभी तक मैंने कुछ भी bookings नहीं की है. I have just booked my flights, but वहाँ पे जाके I'll be booking, and I am still kind of amazed, and I still can't. I'm not able to digest that this vlog and this whole journey is going to be kind of in collaboration with Airbnb, and I just thought how you can book on this platform. अगर आपको कहीं पे भी travel करना है within India, तो कैसे Airbnb पे आप एक बहुत ही smooth process में overall booking कर सकते हो. And this would be my first Airbnb booking, and as far now the experience has been super amazing. So I'll just show you how the basic steps are, what things you require for booking on Airbnb, and I am really looking forward how this overall journey is going to be. So let's start with the video. Alright, so in order to book any Airbnb, you have to just go on Airbnb's main website, and here you have to click on stays. Now because I will be traveling, so if you're in this where section, you can insert the location. I'm traveling to Shimla, which you can see there are a lot of stays in my search history. Filters पे click करके also you can see what all filters are kind of suitable for you. आप ये देख सकते हो कि this is a super host symbol, which means that ये specific host को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे reviews मिले. यहाँ पे आप इनके रिव्यूज़ देख सकते हो. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस स्पेसिफिक स्टे, दिस स्पेसिफिक लिस्टिंग, द कॉस्ट इज अराउंड 1075 पर नाइट, एंड विच इज़ क्वाइट गुड एक्चुअली. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द बेसिक स्टेप वर्क्स. एंड जब तक होस्ट कंफर्म नहीं करता आपका रिजर्वेशन, तब तक ये स्टिल पेंडिंग स्टेज पे रहेगा, जो फिलहाल मेरे साथ हुआ है. नियर थियोक मैंने एक लिस्टिंग बुक की है, विच आई एम स्टिल अवेटिंग टू फॉर इट्स कन्फर्मेशन. एंड एक बार वो लिस्टिंग कन्फर्म हो जाती है, देन आई एम ऑल सेट टू ट्रैवल ओवर देयर. Otherwise I can directly go for a different listing जहाँ पे instant book option हो. So instant book is very much similar to what we usually book on other platforms, which is just go and pay and your reservation is confirmed. You don't have to wait for anyone to confirm your reservation. So that I would have to go in case if my host does not respond in 24 hours. But I'll keep you posted what's happening, because my flight is around there in 6 more hours and none of my packing is still yet done. So let's quickly start with it. Alright, so almost सारी packing हो चुकी है. I'm just carrying 2 bags. One is just like this camera bag, even though I don't have camera right now in this. And second bag is that one, जिसमें I'll be carrying most of my stuff. And हर event की तरह I have to copy everything which is there into the phone, because life of a content creator. मेरा phone almost 250 GB storage है, but it is already full packed. So I'm just removing all the unwanted things into the computer and trying to save some more space so that I could vlog from here. And right while I'm leaving right now, it is hardly around 1.5 hours for my flight, and look at this. It is raining crazy. So I'll be booking the Ola or Uber right away and heading off to the airport. So let's go. Hey guys, so almost I'm left for the airport, and when I left it was approximately showing us 40 minutes, but now still it is there is huge traffic in the Western Highway, because of which और ज़्यादा delay हो सकता है. Just praying कि वापस मेरी flight कभी miss ना हो. So I have just carrying both these things, and fingers crossed time पे पहुँच जाए.
Hey guys, so finally इतने ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक में होके भी we finally I was able to get a kind of a better route and finally I am at the airport. But almost like 15 minutes पहले I reached for the boarding, but fortunately or unfortunately I can't say, flight has got kind of delayed just by 30 minutes. So पहले तो flight around 6 बजे निकलने वाली थी, around 6:30 को निकलेगी, but I was almost shit scared because it is any which way delayed and just traffic था. Especially when I was super busy and it was like super crowded as well. So we took a different route and it kind of I literally reached 2 to 3 minutes before. मैंने check in भी नहीं किया है, तो जो check in में मेरा luggage था, I'm just carrying that with me into the cabin. But it has been super crazy. I'm just now praying that मेरा जो पहले का जो check-in already हो गया है, उसके हिसाब से I've just got a seat which is kind of to the left side. इसके हिसाब से मुझे I'm hoping that I would get to see the sunset which is from the left side because left side the sunset होगा, and I'm praying that the flight kind of would go from the sea and then take kind of the right turn. So super stressed right now because पहली बार तो मैंने लाइफ में फ़्लाइट मिस कर दी थी जब मैं लास्ट टाइम चंडीगढ़ ट्रैवल कर रहा था, बट अभी दूसरे टाइम मुझे बिल्कुल भी मिस नहीं करनी थी एंड फॉर्चुनेटली आई गॉट इन टाइम एंड आई काइंड ऑफ रीच्ड हियर एट द एयरपोर्ट. So I'll be just now waiting for and kind of relaxing myself because finally traveling and not missed my flight of course for the second time. So let's go. So finally we have reached in Chandigarh and the weather is kind of really good. It is not that much humid as I kind of expected. It is approximately 30 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it was a kind of a turbulent flight, but at the end it kind of works out to be really good because the flight got delayed, but we have kind of reached in time. So I'll be just having some food nearby and I'll proceed. Hey guys, so I finally reached in Chandigarh at the Mohali airport, and this airport, I have so many memories with this airport when I travelled to Spiti Valley or recently when I travelled to Dharamshala and Dalhousie as well. But did you see those amazing cloud textures, be it on the left side? Whenever you're travelling from Mumbai, definitely take the left side because it gives you sunset view along with those amazing cloud texture. And that is it for the first video. This would be an amazing series, I hope, because I have very less time to travel actually. Tomorrow I am right away traveling towards Amritsar and this is going to be an absolute solo trip, and I'm super excited because solo I have travelled a lot of places, but travelling all the way towards Punjab and then travelling towards Amritsar as well, it is going to be an amazing experience. So do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any queries about Airbnb as well, do put them in the comments below. I'll try to answer as many as I could, and please thank you so very much for still watching until here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll be meeting you in the next video.
खो गए